Just last night, Marimar was published by QT organizations. Let us all watch the trailer now. Yay!
Ano naman, Marimar? Ano na naman bang gusto mo kay Sergio? Angelica, buntis ako at pinadala ko ang anak namin ni Sergio. Kaya gusto ko siyang mahanap. Luluhod ka ba? Magmamakaawa? Kaya mo bang halika ng mga paa ko para lang makita si Sergio? Oo naman, Angelica. Lahat gagawin ko. Parang awa ko na. Tulungan mo ako. Luhod! Luhod ka! Ngayon, halikan mo ang paa ko. Halikan mo ang mga paa ko, Marimar. Hindi mo ba ako naririnig? Akin mo na. Binigyan sa akin ni Sergio. Alam ko, kaya nga bibigay ko pabalik sa'yo, di ba?
Salamat, Angelica.
Pero, maaari mo lamang kunin yan gamit ang bibig ko. Naintindihan mo, Marimar? Kunin mo na! Ano pang hinihintay mo? Kunin mo!
Now, we witness the trailer and let me introduce you the lenses we can see in that movie. First one is Marcus. Marcus is very dominant in the trailer as the series showcase the gap between the poor and rich, just like the week that we watch. Moral is, with the series, we can get lessons that we can apply in real life. It can make us reflect on their behaviors. We should not do it when we have the powers. But it also shows the evils and good. Let's hear from our reporter, Nenang Cutie Pie.
Good day. Today I'm in the middle of thunderstorm, and today we will be asking someone about readers' response on the new trailer of Marimar. Mom, can you interview Mom? Mom, can you interview you? Okay. What do you think of the new trailer of Marimar? Let's. Faster, Mom, I'm getting it, Mom.
The thriller lets viewers get interested as it serves quality cinematography. I really love it.
Hey guys, that's all. Back to the studio reporter. Back to the studio.